This is our house. Yeah, it kind of does. There was no stair. This is our closet. The shower. Our bathroom. Our toilet room. This will be the sink. This looks tiny. This is where our sink's gonna go? That's a small ass bathtub. This is a little closet right here. And then the living room. And the dining room and the kitchen will be right there.
So glad I got that.
Foil. Somebody had a taco. It's our little pantry.
This looks bigger.
Shortcut. No, it actually looks a little bit small. There's going to be another closet right here. And here is the bathroom. And then Maddie's room. Maddie's room looks big. And her closet. There's the entrance. I know, me too. There's gonna be like a bar, right? This is where the kitchen's gonna be. We'll see. This is where our kitchen will be, and this is our big ass utility closet that is huge, and we'll have a little closet area for the kids to play or to hide snacks. Presents. Oh yeah. This is the closet right here. And then Josie's room. She's got like a mini master. Here's her bathroom. And her walk-in closet. And then this is the other room. What? This room looks big.
Huh?
This room looks big.
The middle room?
Yeah. The Hello Kitty litter. This closet, what is up with this?
They cut that out.
Oh, okay. It's a big closet too. It's got a good sized closet.
See, they run that board all the way across.
Oh, yeah.
No.
And this is their bathroom. This is gonna be extra storage. So there'll be a closet right here. And then their bathroom. And then Maddie's bathroom. Maddie's room. Or no, this is. It's gonna be in my video. Love the entrance. It's so big.
Please watch where you walk, okay? There'd be nails.
Oh, this is nice and cozy. They put up the drywall. Yeah, yo.
It looks backwards compared. It's really scary.
It is. This is Michael's room.
Ah, which I wanted.
The bathroom.
Are we gonna have tile on the walls?
Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be Michael's room.
Garage is all drywall.
Is it?
Yeah, baby.
Well, they said they were gonna do that, Bing
No, I
Bong.
still believe it.
This is the office. It's coming together. Oh, they fucked up right there. They fucked up. There's the drywall's a little short.
Yeah, there's gonna be a set.
Yeah. It's not gonna go that far down.
Let me see how big it is. Let me close it over. Your room is not that big.
Close it all the way.
How are you gonna fit your bed in there? And your dresser.
Yeah, everything's gonna fit just fine. It's the same size as the model, Marianne, which had a bed, a dresser, 2 nightstands.
Right here to this thing.
This bedroom is definitely shorter than our bedroom, I think.
Look, yeah.
It's longer, but it's
Longer.
shorter. Yeah.
It's longer.
Yeah, longer this way.
And this way.
No.
Absolutely. is.
Square.
I don't care.
Let me.
Our bed will come to here.
No.
I guess.
Okay, can we go see what my bed is gonna be?
We
right
will.
Okay, I didn't know if we could go to the basement.
There's my bathtub.
Stay near some.
There's the vanity.
Daddy, come follow us so that we can have.
What the hell is
There's a
this?
window in your bathroom. It's disgusting. Ew, yeah. That's
It's what?
actually
What is this?
It's just a plate. It's gonna be a vent.
Right there?
Huh? Yeah.
That's so weird.
Where else should I put it?
By a wall?
Wait, there's no. I just realized there's no.
What else is?
This is our boo-boo room.
This is great.
This is where we make a boo-boo.
I think this.
Well, no, I mean, do we want to keep it there?
I'm fine.
Are
as
they
long as
putting the built-in?
is there.
Yeah, as long as they put the built-in there.
Yeah.
Because right here, then they'll put an additional rack where there wasn't before, and it's extra. Sweet.
Is this Graham's room then? Or is this the washroom?
This is the washroom.
And then this, where is Graham's room? This one.
Graham's gonna be in our room. He doesn't get his own room.
Yes, this is his room right here. Where's the basement?
This is where the mail center's gonna go.
Yeah, let's go. You guys, come on.
They've done the garage. Yay! So happy. Madison, chill. I know it's warm in here.
Here's on. They're just ready for paint.
Oh, it can't be super cold.
I wonder what this area is.
This is the bar. This is the kitchen, the little kitchen.
Oh yeah, this is a little kitchen kind of. Where's the real money?
Madison, can you wait? See? This is gonna be a whole wraparound bar area right here. So this will be where the little sink is, and then we're gonna have a little fridge right here. And then we'll have bar stools right here, and then a TV right there, and right there on that wall is where I'm gonna put all of my Been There series from Starbucks. This is the living room, or this is like, I guess like the dining room area, or like the game room area. And then right here on this side is going to be the living room area.
Seriously, I'm not gonna be here anymore. No.
Seriously? Why can't, when Josie goes to college, why can't I
This
visit
is
your
my
room?
room.
We're thinking, do you want this room area?
Well,
It has a bigger closet.
no. Oh, Maddie, you haven't got. If Josie's moving out, why can't I go in? She can just go. Well, listen, Dad.
Camera's in.
Because when she comes back, she's just gonna. come
Yeah,
back
that's
for
a
little
big
bit,
closet.
and then that room will get.
It doesn't matter. I want her to still have her room when she comes back, Marianne.
Okay, she can move all her stuff into this one.
Until she gets her own place, that's gonna be her room where she can come back,
Okay, she can
Marianne.
come back to this one.
There's the hallway. And then this is the closet in the bathroom. And then the sink, mirror, bathtub. No, it's backwards. We're in the back. This is backwards right here, Maria. So this was the room that you wanted in the other room. But I think this should be Michael's room. Don't touch it.
Basement room is creepy.
So here's the closet. I mean Maddie's room. Sorry, Maddie's room. These are nice high ceilings. So she could probably get a canopy in here.
How you like it, Kyra?
Canopy bed.
It's cool.
Wait, there's another thing there. So, our secret
This is Josie's. This is our big closet, like a huge storage closet. We can definitely put some bins in there. And then this is my oldest daughter's room. Right here, she gets the junior suite. And then here's her closet. She's got a nice walk-in closet. Okay. And then her bathroom, she's got a little seat just like ours. And she's got a pretty big size flippin' bathroom. Oh, that's the medicine cabinet. So, yeah, it's old school. It's got a medicine cabinet in here, which I think is hilarious. All right, we're going upstairs. I'm excited. This room is flippin' huge. Like, I wish I can show you, like, really how humongous this flippin' room is. It is literally the same size as the house upstairs. So it's a nice big gigantic room. And there's the living room again. Yay! Big old hallway. is the side of the house. We get no privacy. No privacy. This is the color we picked though.
Oh yeah, they painted our door.
Oh yeah, the blue. It's the blue, white, and the gray. Yeah, or tan, blue, white, and gray. I loved it. Love it. I think it looks really good. Or how excited are you about that garage and this flat driveway? I know it's huge. So we got the blue with the white trim and then the tan. The tan everything. I love tan. Here's the stonework. We've got like this bluish, gray cementing